Our flight sensor reporting to us that a passenger has jumped out of the plane on the FO side on our taxiway.
Southwest 4236, Roger, we'll get someone out there right away.
Ground, Southwest 4236.
Southwest 4236, ground.
Our flight sensor reporting to us that a passenger has jumped out of the plane on the FO side on our taxiway.
Southwest 4236, Roger, we'll get someone out there right away.
Okay, copy that. At ground, Southwest 4236.
Southwest 4236, ground.
Yeah, we can't tell where that person is right now behind us. Apparently it was a couple hundred yards behind where we are right now. We'd like to go ahead and proceed forward to the gate. It's right in front of us.
All right, Southwest 4237, we're actually sending the city and police out to try to meet you if you can just hold there. And if you need to shut down, that's approved.
Okay, we will hold in place for Southwest 4236.
Alaska 923.
Alaska 923.
Alaska 923, hold short, what? I'll just come to a stop there. Just had a report of that Southwest you see there at 11 o'clock, apparently a passenger just jumped out of the airplane and we're trying to find him.
Okay, neat, we're stopping.
Ground, Frontier Flight 2148.
Frontier 2148, ground.
Yeah, it looked like we saw somebody walking across the tarmac over there, just east of that fire station, right below your tower, just east of us and east of the fire station.
All right, thanks.
Over the fire station, they were limping.
And from 3, it appears that the person is just north of the doors on your fire station. He's approaching the fire station now.
Copy, he's on the north side of the fire station.
It looks like he's approaching the main entrance to the fire station now. A yellow shirt and a black or gray jacket just right by the entrance. And Southwest 4236, it looks like the city got to the person. Are you able to continue to the ramp now, or do you need someone to meet you at the aircraft? And Southwest 4236?
4236, stand by. We're checking with the people in the back right now.
Alaska 923, that was exciting. You can continue 7 left on the south route, contact south ground.
7 left south route over to South Ground, Alaska 923, thanks. Yeah, we were looking for somebody running around. We have a bad history with people jumping up on our wing.
Oh boy.
Ground, Southwest 4236, all our passengers are down now. We're ready to taxi to Delta 5.
All right, Southwest 4236, taxi to the ramp.
Taxi to the ramp, Southwest 4236.